Good morning all. So today I am Kalpesh Gambhir Bhai Chaudhary. Today's my topic is inheritance in Java. So basically OOPS is four main pillar: inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism and abstraction. So today's my topic is inheritance. So inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquire all the properties and behavior of parent object. It is an important part of OOPS. So object OOPS is an object oriented programming system. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new class that one build upon existing class. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse method and field of the parent class. So you can add new method and field in your current class also. So inheritance represent is is a relationship which is also known as parent child relationship. So why we use inheritance in Java? So first is method overloading, so runtime polymorphism can be achieved, and second one is called code reusability. So so terms using inheritance, so first is class, second one is subclass, it is also called as child class, third one is a superclass, it also called as parent class, and last one is a reusability. So what is class? Class is a group of objects which have common property. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So second one is subclass or child class. So subclass is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called as derived class, extend class or child class. So next one is a superclass. It also called as parent class. So in superclass is the class of in the class from where a subclass inherits the future. It is also called base a class. It is called a base class or parent class. So last one is a reusability. So as the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the field and method of existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same field and method already defined the previous class. So the syntax of Java inheritance: suppose the class, subclass and name extend superclass name. So the extend keyword is indicate that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. The meaning of extend is to increase the functionality. So in terminology of Java, a class which is inherit is called a parent or superclass, and the new class is called child class. So Java inheritance, suppose example, class of employee, so salary is 20,000 and bonus is an other class programmer, bonus is 1000. So programmer extend the employee class, and in main method programmer call program in main method call a parent class and sys out salary and bonus. So suppose the subclass of employee is the superclass, and the relationship between two classes is programmer is a employee. It means that a programmer is a type of employee. So programmer object can access the field of own class as well as employee class. So that is called reusability. So types of inheritance: so first is single, second is multi-level, third is hierarchical. So on the basis of class, there can be three types: single, multiple, and hierarchical. So in Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through interface only. So when the so what is single inheritance? So when a class, suppose example, when a class inherits other class, it's known as single inheritance. Suppose dog class inherit the animal class, so there is a single inheritance. Next one is a multi-level inheritance. So when there is a chain of inheritance, it's known as multi-level inheritance. As you can see example, baby dog class inherits the dog class, which again inherits the animal class. So there is a multi-level inheritance. So next one is a hierarchical inheritance. So when two or more classes inherits a single classes, that is known hierarchical class. Suppose the animal class inherit dog and cat class. So this is the hierarchical class. So this is the inheritance of Java. Thank you.